welcome back to my channel Crypto Styling. Today I will share with you about a new IPO journey. I will share their details. Imagine having access to the stage, early startup and pre-IPO deals that were once only for big investors and the venture capitalists. Introducing IPO journey, the platform that bridging blockchain and private markets. It is giving everyone a fair chance to invest smarter, faster and more transparently. So this video is for educational purpose and informational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research, and all investments carry risk and are subject to the market condition. Before starting the project details and review, you can go and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So IPO journey, I will share their platform, how it works, their services, roadmap, their white paper. All you can see cutting edge solution is given. Web3 is Wall Street. IPO journey gives you early stage access to the private deals that shape global market, previously reserved for institution like given here. And the BlackRock, you can see the BlackRock, you can even go for buy now. I will share that how you can buy it. IPO journey is not just another investment platform. It is basically the gateway to verify private market opportunity. You have a partner with the top tier hedge funds, venture firms, and private networks to bring you institutionally vetted early stage deals all in one place and all powered by blockchain transparency. So why IPO journey exists, how you can see its detail is given. So you can see it here. For year access to the best private market investment was locked behind closed door, available only to insider with a huge minimum IPO journey. Change that. The world runs on private deals. You can see every year over 3 trillion flows through private equity, pre-IPO startups, and high-yield private asset. But access has been limited a few institutional players until now. So IPO journey levels the playing field where they source and pre-vet elite investment opportunities bridge. You can see they have given here the qualified investor into the room before the next public growth. So it's all that not anyone can explore high growth sectors like AI, fintech and robotics with low entry minimums and full on chain transparency. So furthermore, I want to share with you that we did the work for you. You just hold dollar IPO there. IPO token is given. I will share that with you. They break the doors. You walk in first. So hold their IPO, your key to the premium verified startups, and choose opportunity backed by the expert due to you can see diligency and compliance. They have the legal and regular structuring. They have KYC on board there. You can see portfolio is given here. You can go for it. They have deal with the vetting experience analysis. You can see, and you can no more you can see gateway, no more endless paperwork, just secure compliant on-chain investing in it. You can see institutional custodies and deals, vetting by experience, clean on-chain investment flows. You can see all their details from here. It's all that. So now I will share with you that how it runs. So you can track and influence, you can monitor your performance, you can receive your profits, you can hold IPO to your token unlock deal assess, and furthermore you can see there is given here. So all that investment with the confidence, one click allocation, no fiction middleman, track, and I will share all that with you. You can see there further more, which is IPO platform privileges. You can get that. So it's genuinely matters here. So all given here, built it on smart audit contract governed by its community and backed by the real compliance. IPO journey is the redefine how people invest in the private market. So you do not need to connect to leave your wallet to read 100 pages page. You can go and check it out by now. I will just open these link here and share with you. You can see at that time the pre-sale is live. You can join the IPO journey pre-sale and secure your token at the exclusive buy IPO now. Their time is given 19 hours 29 minutes, and you can see USD raise is given here. Its price at that time is 0.00010020. You can see 59%. You can select the payment method by card, which will be coming soon, not at that time available. You can go for the ETH, USDC, and you can even go for the BNB, and and you can see for you can go for the Soul Chain and many more. You can enter the amount, you can pay 10 USDT and you can get 99,800 IPO which is given here. So you can have to just connect your wallet here. For connect wallet you have to click on it and check on it that how you can go. You can go for the MetaMask and any other wallet you want to use. So you have to set up your wallet, choose the currency, buy IPO, and you can get it here. So it's all that every transaction record and you basically reward is fully transparent and securely managed. So all that I have shared with you. So now I will just go back and share with you the further you can work with. They have a 500 million plus asset under management, 1200 plus given here investor, 340% average portfolio ROI, 2.3 billion plus dollar in founder exits, 50 plus active deals. You can see pre-sale now live. They have 24/7 deal flow, 32%. You can see APY 3 trillion private market assets and the 4x faster deal. But do your own research before going in it. Every transaction have basically a risk. You can check on it built which is given here. So all the details is given. You can see their mission is to simple to make institutional grade investing accessible, transparent, and rewarding to everyone. Their white label fund as a service, AI power deals. They have the IPO index funds, wrap token basket, behavior based, and the IPO backed insurance pool. So what's the next for that? You can see their roadmap is given, which is given here. Phase one is about their affiliate program market, and phase two is about their partner fund activation fund. You can see service. They have CX onboarding and a listing in phase three. You can see they will go for the IPO AI signal agent and IPO backed in phase 4. You can see they will go for the fund builder SDK and real time tokenized. So the IPO token, your gateway to the private wealth creation. They have also the bronze card, silver card. You can own that card, premium one from here. So their total supply is given. Token type utility token with the governance type. You will get that token standard which is on the ERC, Ethereum bridge to Solana base and L2S. So token vesting is given. You can see you can go for the white paper. I will share the white paper here. So what makes IPO Jenny different from other? They have the institutional you can see backing, founder with the operation DNA, high converting debt flow, and also simple and transparency on chain. So you can go and check on it all their details furthermore. So their tokenomics is given where they care about the pre-sale, liquidity, exchange, community, which is given here. They have 18% for their community, and other than that they have the 50% for the pre-sales, and they have 20% for the liquidity, and you can see they have 5% for their team and advisor which is given here. And you can see the reward. They have the FAQs. You can go and check it on that. Stay informed with that. You can go and be a part of their community. You can check it on their YouTube and sorry on their Twitter and the Telegram. I will open that, but before that I want to share with you about their white paper. You can see their details. This video is for education purpose, is not a financial advice, so do your own research and check their white paper. They have white paper which is given which is you can see large white paper. You can see their details, their features, that they have low minimums, on-chain transparency, DAO governance, secondary liquidity. You can see the market opportunity here, and the furthermore security token explanation by them. You can see the all details about ready to be a part of the next generation of the private market investing. You can go and visit their website and discover how you can join the movement. So you can even go and join them on the Telegram. You can see their white paper. All that is given. IPO, bridging the blockchain, the private market, all that. This video is for education purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research. So if you have any query or if you have any question, you can go and comment below my video, and I will give you the response on it. So thank you so much for watching.